everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, right now I will be watching a song which has been dropped by Tirumali. Now this song is called Pacha Parishkari. So the song right now has subtitles, but initially when it did not have the subtitles, so I wanted to listen to it. So I asked one of my viewers to actually give me some context about this song before I sat down and reacted to it. But now there are subtitles, but still I want to read it out because shout out to you, Vishnu. You've taken the pains to write it. So basically it says that in the early 1980s, the Gulf was explored by Malayalis through cinema. And often in the underdog stories, heroes will go to Gulf and become rich man. So as an impact, Malayalis considered it as a swag and prestige to go to Gulf countries and come back. So if a boy returned from Gulf during that particular time, he will be given priority on marrying a girl, or the girl will get attracted to that guy. Okay. And there is a reference from the film called Mean, which is acted by the legendary action hero Jayam. Okay, yes, I've heard like he's like the first action star in the Malayalam cinema, which partially based on Hindi movie Trishul, where the hero who is a fisherman goes to Gulf and becomes rich, and when returned his lover would have married another man and so on. So okay, that's the context. So in this film there's a song called, oh my god, okay, let me try to pronounce it, guys. Ulla Saputhirikal, sung by, okay, the legendary KJ Yashodas. The lyrics of the song come in between this. Okay, great. So the song is basically, in another sense, can be interpreted as a boy who sings and celebrates his Malayali identity once he becomes rich after going to the Gulf. So that's the context that he gave me. Now this was before they updated the song with subtitles. So now I have this context before getting into the song. And now let's look at the lyrics. So yeah, very excited to listen to the song. And let's watch it right away. Yeah, it has the total 70s film vibe actually. The rich landlord who has come back from Gulf. Tirumali has come back from Gulf. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, last I watched him was on Sambar. I had to pause because last I watched him in Sambar and he had those... Okay, he looked so different there. He was... Look at him here. He looks adorable. Okay, this has the whole movie vibe. Yeah, look at that. This is gonna be a fun song.
Pacha Parishkari, Pacha Malayali, Pursha Modalali, Madhyam Madirashi, Vayad Kalvayadi, Vakad Kalvayadi, Orad Kalporali, Talk I'm single and ready to mingle. Jungle in Antana Singam, Ipembilla Marilla, Noki Vella American, Amorata single. Ashingari Malatitule, Ajanga the Lipo Legan, the Rajan and Edicha Puli, the Tanjaburi, Manika Kali. Back in the game, Pacha Parishkari put your name. Simple like dress, very killer drip on a main. 22 carat to chain. Pick up the inside pushing popularity, Jodi human than a jet and aim. Amal Pali good and the Tabata, but the bottom body in the Tragalam. In a beat, the rapidi chapati puri, deep ditch and the moti liminare and Gondor Madiri. Kata ditchapakati, come with the real atiri. Patti kondu di kodu Talula Saputiri Pacha Parishkari Pacha Malayali Pursha Modalali Madhyam Madirashi.
Oh, this is so good!
Vayadi Vakad Talvakati Korad Talporali Tokad Titapur.
I love this!
Parishkari, Pacha Malayali, but what a way you want to put the Jacapel Mudalali, Alpataravadi, Motamaruna, the man in the Chelil, Ataru push it to Kupa and get it, Ataram Pucharam, the Lima Rich to Nutaramutu, and Ganiji, Kapali carried to Nadikatakan. ഞാൻ ചത്താലും ചമഞ്ഞ കിടക്കൂ ഈ പത്തായം നിറച്ച് അടങ്ങൂ പണപത്രാസം കാണിച്ച് മടങ്ങൂ ഒരു കൊട്ടാരം പണിന്റെ ഒടുങ്ങൂ കണ്ട കമ്പോളം നിരത്തിൽ തുറന്ന് പല വ്യഞ്ജനങ്ങൾ കൊണ്ട് വിരുന്ന് ശരപഞ്ചരം ജയനെ പോലൊന്ന് വിരിഞ്ഞ് നിന്നിട്ട് പതുക്കെ പിടിച്ചെന്റെ മൂട്ടിൽ മിന്നി നേരം കൊണ്ടൊരു മാതിരി കാറ്റടിച്ചപ്പോ കാട്ടുതീ കമ്പി തിരിയില്ലാത്തിരി തീപ്പട്ടി കൊണ്ട് തീ കൊടുത്താലുല്ലാസ പൂത്തിരി.
Oh, face off. Is it going to be a dance off?
പച്ച മലയാളി പുരുഷ മുതലാളി മദ്യം മതിരാശി വായെടുത്താൽ വായാടി വാക്കെടുത്താൽ വാക്കത്തി പോരെടുത്താൽ പോരാളി തോക്കെടുത്തിട്ട്.
Oh no! I love this. Oh God. Epic. Epic. Crazy. I loved it. I loved it. Oh my God. This was too short. This was too short. Needed more of this. Needed more. Phenomenal, phenomenal, phenomenal. This was pure entertainment and pure joy. And I think I enjoyed it even more because I got, Vishnu, shout out to you. Even Tirumali's actual name is, like, real name is Vishnu. Tirumali is his stage name. So he wrote this full paragraph for me because initially it did not have the subtitles. Because I had that context, I enjoyed this even more. The way he was completely unhinged, completely having the time of his life, the way this video has been shot, the music, I think Jay Stella, I think he did a phenomenal job in this. He did a phenomenal job. Like, from start to finish, just kept me hooked. Did not even feel like a freaking 4-minute video. In fact, I was telling after the song got over, it's too short. It's not. It's actually longer than the average duration of a song. So the fact that I am saying this says a lot about how amazing this song is. From the delivery, the way his cadence was just so freaking amazing. So from the delivery to the flow, the way he was so on beat, and the overall video, there was just such a fun element to his cadence in this song. Loved it, absolutely loved it. And like I said, the last song of his I heard was Sambar, and that was like long back. So in that song, he was like, his rap was so freaking savage. I loved it because he starts the song. Here, it's a completely different vibe. I think it's acted also so well, it's picturized so well, everything works. Such a fun song. I will loop this in so much. I know for a fact that I can loop this in non-stop and just have a gala time listening to it. I was having a smile throughout. The beat production was amazing. The whole storytelling took the vibe to another level because it felt like I was watching a movie. And when I typed in this song, I realized that the lyrical video had already come months back. But I'm really glad that I did not watch it. I did not listen to the song, and this was my first listen with the video because the impact is something else. I'm sure if I'd heard it without the music video also, I would have enjoyed it. But here the level was completely different because of the visual storytelling, basically. So thoroughly enjoyed. Amazing execution by Tirumali, Jay Stella. Phenomenally done. I just loved it. So yes, that was the reaction to Pacha Parishkari. Na 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 na. Yes, I loved it. And yes, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, I will end this video here, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.